Have you ever seen pictures like this one showing on your screen and you wonder if the story is true and later to discover that the story are not true? Sometimes you wonder how it been designed or created. Don't worry, in this video you will learn how to create pictures such as this one on your screen where soccer star like Leonel Messi will wear any other team jersey. What I'm about to show you in graphic terms is called photo manipulation. To do this design, you are going to need your smartphone. That means you can do the design with your smartphone. Then this three application. You don't need an image search by Picart and your phone browser. Any browser can actually do anything I do in the video. Link for the applications will be in the video description. So the first application there is Image Search Man. I hope you've seen it. You go to the search button of the Image Search Man and you search for the player you want to use to put on any other team jersey. So first of all, you search for the player. The player I'm going to search for is Leonel Messi. So you allow the image to load, allow them to load one by one. You check, you scroll through it. You're going to see. So I'm going to select a portrait picture, a very good one where I can get his head well. So I'll select this one here. I'll select this one here. That's the one I'm going to use. After the picture open, you go under the picture, you see the download icon there. That's how you download the image. So you click on it. You click on it, see? Immediately it will just download. So you go back again, you search for the second player. In the second team you want the player to wear the jersey. So I'll just use any team. Okay, let me use Arsenal. So I'll use Arsenal. What I'm doing is called photo manipulation. So if you want to do this photo manipulation, you're going to need a PicsArt. I'm doing it with my mobile phone. So yeah, like I always say on a sign graphic, you can do it with your mobile phone. You need a Picart, image search man, or any browser. So this is the image search man doing the work, looking for the image that we're going to edit. So we'll look for the image. I will use this Arsenal player there, Mesut Ozil. So you see how you know how to download this thing. Then after that, we go to our browser. You look for BG remover. Just type and search. See the first link there, remove.bg. So you click upload. Then you select the image you want to remove the background. So I want to remove the both image background, but I can't upload the both of them at once. So I will just start from the first one. Upload the one of Leonel Messi. So you see, after uploading, when you scroll down, you see immediately to just remove the background. You see download button there. Has the download button there. You just on that place there, you click on it to download your image. Although it will not show on your screen, but when you drag the notification as I did, you see it there. So from there, I will upload the second image, the same thing that from Mesut Ozil. Go down again, download icon there. I will download the image and I will save them. Now they are under my download folder. To do next, open PicArt. And in the PicArt, you're not just going to select the image. You scroll down, there you see background. So if you open your PicArt, don't worry, I turn my screen landscape mode. You can turn yours well. See that you select just a white background. After that, you go to tools by the right hand side of your screen, the second icon there. Then you select crop. Crop is there inside tool in Picart. So select crop. The size of the crop you're going to use here is 3x4. That's the one I prefer to use. You can use any other size depending on, maybe if you have a background you can bring in. So I'll just add the image, the one I already removed the background. That's first of all, I'll add the team I want the player to wear the jersey. So I'll just bring in the picture like that. You'll see them by the left hand side of the screen there. After that tick button, you see the eraser button. If you click on it, you see to bring out this interface. So you just clean the some part of the head there like that. Then you see it's okay, your image, make sure it's okay, and you scroll down again to add photo again. Now you bring in like a Messi picture, the one you already removed the background, and you adjust it to cover, like make sure it's on the same size as the other parts of the head you raised out from the Arsenal photo. So you make your adjustment like this. See, by the left hand side of your screen again, you see that eraser button there, that you make your adjustments. As the eraser button there by the left hand side of your screen. As the second button, you know that the icon is black and white there, so it's called the eraser button. You're going to click on that button. You make sure you do your adjustment very well so you don't make mistakes. So you click on the button and you go, then you erase some parts of the Barcelona. You see now, there's no magic about it. You can actually do this. You can literally do it with your smartphone, like anything. This is called photo manipulation using your smartphone. So, and we're doing it, bringing Messi to us now with photo manipulation. Most of this thing you don't need Photoshop to do it. You can do it with your smartphone with one or few tools. Okay, you see now it's there, but I want the picture to blend, like the color and everything. So I'll go to effect. You screw. Okay, I think I pass it out at the top there. Yeah, that's effect there. FX effect in Picart. So you just select this film tool. You can use any effect, but I just prefer to select it and zoom the picture so that you see it very well. See, it's real. Don't need Photoshop. You can use it with your Picart. So that is how you do it. Then from there you save your work, save it to gallery. That is how I achieve this, and other photo I achieve this also with the same step. So thank you for watching.